Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be bringing you guys another unboxing today, and as you can see it's from Crutchfield. This is a new stereo head unit for my car that I'm going to install. That's a Pioneer. But first, before I open this up, I just want to give a shout out to my cousin who got this for me as an early birthday present, since my birthday's next week. So shout out to him. And I just want to say, what's good about buying this kind of stuff from Crutchfield is that they provide you with everything, usually free, as long as you meet the minimum requirements, or depending on what stereo head unit you bought. So that's always good. So let's just go ahead and open this up. Peanut flying over there. Lots of foam peanuts here. Get all this out of the way. And here's the stereo itself. It's a Pioneer DEH-3300UB. You can see here. Put this aside for right now. Let's see what else is in here. Here's the wire adapter or wire harness for factory systems, because you can't install a new head unit to a factory car without an adapter, without having to splice the factory wires and stuff. So this is good right here. And let's see, should be more in here. Universal DIN tools for removing the factory system. There. And it also comes with one of their catalogs, which I'm already subscribed to. That's this side. Here's just some information and all that. So another thing that's good about Crutchfield is that when you purchase something like this from them, that they have 24-hour support or lifetime customer service support. So if you don't know, if you mess up or something, or don't know what to do next, you got that. And this actually will be my first time installing a stereo by myself, but I'm excited to. And Crutchfield provides everything on how to do that themselves. So here's the actual head unit itself. Like I said, Pioneer DEH-3300UB. It's a CD, it has an aux in, plays MP3s and WMAs, has a USB port, and it's also iPod control. So that's always good. This is what it looks like in the front, obviously. Comes with a remote as well. Let's see what's on the side. This thing. And just some more information. So I'll just go ahead and open this up and see what happens. So here's the remote itself. The adapter that goes into the unit itself. And some bolts and screws for attaching it to the harness. And here's the unit itself. So it's pretty nice. Got a little door for the USB, which I like. Aux input, everything else you expect out of a stereo. Let's see. It's also a removable faceplate. Not really sure how to do it right now, but yeah, it's removable, I guess. Yep, there it is right there. Alright. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.